rate my work.
What's up, AirkewldArmy? It's your friend Pete, back again with a new series on the YouTube channel, Rate My Work. Today, we're going to showcase two styles of PRObuilt beams that we have on display behind me, and we want you to rate them, 1 star being give us reasons why, stay positive. Constructive criticism is encouraged. Tell us why, comment down below, giving us a 1 star up to a 5 star being perfect. If it's not a 5 star, let us know why. But keep it nice. We always want to improve, get better, and this is where you guys come in. Critique our work, suggest things that could make it better, and see if we can implement them. 1 star being bad, 5 stars being good. It's up to you, AirkewldArmy. Let's go! Alright, we're going to go over some basics, not of what the product is, but actually what we did. So we powder coated the spindles, we gun blued the thrust cover here, we gun blued the link pins, we use new Zerks, but we actually put this little rubber cap on them now. We use ARP stainless hardware. We powder coat the arms after we strip them, clean them up. We weld on the little star caps. We actually paint the springs inside red for a nice little detail touch. We use a little stainless washer here. ARP bolts, stainless washer and nut. We actually paint the tie rod hands so that they don't rust, and cadmium plated gem nuts, adjustable shock with cadmium plated hardware, stainless washer, stainless nut, powder coated beam, stainless hardware again, powder coated steering box clamps, ARP hardware, steering box locators, Pitman arm bolt. We gun blue down here the steering box roller. We gun blue the exposed parts here, the worm gear. This has an aftermarket top that we machine to have a greasable Zerk. Stainless hardware, we bead blast it, oil soak it. Cadmium plate, new nut, gun blue the adjuster. Can we get better? Star rating, 1 being bad, 5 being good. Comment down below. And just to note, this is our first film, which you'll see a little insignia right here, that puts you in the running for our 10K shopping spree. You have to be a subscriber to this channel, and you have to comment, like, or share this film. Let us know what we can do better. We have faith in you, AirkewldArmy. Tell us about it. Rate my work. 5 stars being great. Yeah.